Hello everyone and welcome to my craft room. I'm sure you've seen it before if you've seen some of my other videos. I've been sewing like crazy lately. I've been making things from the time I wake up to the time I go to bed every single day that I have off. All the things I'm showing you I've made within the past week, maybe a week and a half, within a very short time. And this lovely lady at Joann's Fabrics gave me the idea of using scraps to make headbands, so isn't that such a cute idea? This little skirt will be first on the list. I also made a couple other skirts, but I'm not really sure if I like them very much, but I'll give you a quick sneak peek to see what you think. What do you think? Little blue, little velvet. It's not nearly as soft and shiny and lovely as the other one, and I haven't worn it anywhere because I can't decide if I like it or not. Tell me what you think in the comments below. And one more skirt. I don't know what I feel about this either. See, those are the skirts, and now it's on to the pants. These pants are bell bottoms. I've only made 2 pairs of bell bottom pants. I would tell you how long it took me to make these, but I really haven't been calculating anymore. I just sew and watch TV, and it's very relaxing and nice for me. This is my boyfriend's favorite pair of pants. It's so shiny, and they're belt bottoms, and I got this sexy slit all the way up the side with the fishnet. Of them being sensual but not really showing a lot of skin, you know? Just a little tiny tease of skin. As you can tell, this side is a little different than this side, but I was just using what I got, and honestly I think it works. It's like a wave of sparkles. How shiny they are! Shiny! I'm like a freaking crow. If I see something shiny, I need to bring home and put in the nest. Whether it's cute or not, I don't know. I'm probably blinded by the shine. Last but most certainly not least are these beautiful mirror pants, my actual mirror pants. I mean, if I need to check up on my makeup, I can seriously just look at my pants and I'm all good. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment and all that good stuff, and I'll see you next time. Bye!